Of course, the pharmacy and the stores, and we have noted that there is a serious challenge of record keeping. In a pharmaceutical store and in our pharmacies, whenever you don't keep records, that definitely tells you that there will be a challenge in terms of supply of drugs, because one, you cannot trace whether the drugs were actually used within the facility or outside the facility.
We are here on a fact-finding mission, and we have seen many gaps that are there in this hospital. Key amongst them, I think we need to digitize because of course we are in the era now of information technology.
Kwa tukifanya ziara yetu katika hospitali ya rufaa, kwanza nimefurahishwa na mambo ya hifadhi ya mili katika chumba cha kuhifadhi mili. Ningependa kuwapongeza sana kwa kazi ambayo inaendelea pale. Pili, akina mama ambao wanajifungua, mtindo huu si wa kwanza. Tukiwa kaunti ya Nyamira tulishuhudia idadi chache mno za akina mama ambao wanajifungua, na idadi chache hiyo pia imeshuhudiwa katika kaunti hii ya Kisii.
Our job, the Senate has changed. Our job is to oversight the executive. We are not adversarial. We don't come here to make noise. We just want to look, observe. I now have a reason as the Senator of Kisii County to persuade the national government to give us more money. But I want to persuade the people running this facility, because I know most of them and I understand where they are. They should never fear to tell me where the challenges are.
And we think this is what counties should be able to address. We know Kisii County Referral Hospital, some 1 year, 2 years back, was not only able to supply their own oxygen, but they were also able to supply to nearby facilities and counties. We would want to urge the county government to go back to that, to make sure that that oxygen facility is working.